If you want to build wealth from scratch in 2026, stop waiting for the perfect time. Most people think you need to be born rich. You don't. You need the right system. Step 1. Increase your income. Your salary alone probably won't make you wealthy. Learn a high-income skill. Start freelancing. Sell a service. Build an online business. Create digital products. Or start a side hustle that can eventually replace your job. The more money you earn, the more options you have. Step 2. Spend less than you make. This sounds obvious, but most people increase their spending every time they get a raise. That's why they stay broke. Avoid lifestyle inflation. Buy what you need. Invest the rest. Step 3. Build an emergency fund. Save at least 3 to 6 months of living expenses. Unexpected bills happen. Losing your job happens. An emergency fund keeps you from going into debt. Step 4. Invest consistently. Don't wait until you feel like an expert. Start small. Invest every month. Use index funds, ETFs, quality stocks, or other long-term assets. Time in the market beats trying to time the market. Step 5. Own assets. Assets put money into your pocket. Businesses, stocks, real estate, ETFs, dividend investments. These are the things that build wealth while you sleep. Step 6. Avoid bad debt. If you're borrowing money to buy things that lose value, you're making it harder to become wealthy. Use debt carefully, not emotionally. Step 7. Increase your financial knowledge. Read books. Watch educational videos. Study successful investors. The more you understand money, the better decisions you'll make. Step 8. Be patient. Building wealth isn't about getting rich overnight. It's about making smart decisions over and over again. Most millionaires didn't get lucky. They stayed consistent for years. Step 9. Protect your money. Have insurance when necessary. Avoid scams. Think twice before chasing every new trend on social media. If something promises guaranteed riches, it's probably designed to make someone else rich. Step 10. Keep improving yourself. Your income usually follows the value you bring to the marketplace. Learn new skills. Become more disciplined. Build better habits. The person you become determines the wealth you build. Remember this. Wealth isn't about looking rich. It's about becoming financially free. The earlier you start, the more powerful compound growth becomes. Your future self will thank you for every smart financial decision you make today. If you want a complete step-by-step guide to budgeting, saving, investing, building assets, and creating long-term wealth, check out my Wealth Blueprint. It's packed with practical strategies you can start using today. The link is in the description. Subscribe for more videos on building wealth, investing, and financial freedom.